Welcome to our Dokan review. You can find our in-depth review article in the description. The Dokan plugin has the most functionalities, is the most powerful and the most trusted to establish itself in a fascinating marketplace world. Dokan provides the following features: UI dashboard, vendor dashboard, seller dashboard customization. Dokan offers 5 pricing plans. Free forever, starter, $149 per year, professional, $249 per year, business, $499 per year, enterprise, $999 per year. All package has lifetime deal also. Dokan is a WooCommerce and WordPress plugin for creating a multi-vendor marketplace website. With the plugin, vendors can register an account and then sell their products on their market. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share it with your friends. Subscribe and like the video.